Gotta love when you right in front. You know what I'm saying? I usually wouldn't leave my car like this, but I was in and out. What's good, Grind Schoolers? It's your boy, Rob, and today, I want y'all to ride with me, man. I want y'all to ride with me. I'm about to take the Impala out. It's like about, you know what I'm saying, about 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna take it, get some gas before the streets get too busy, you know what I'm saying? And this is like the first drive out of my neighborhood for this car in like, I wanna say like a year. I think it hasn't been out of this neighborhood for like a year. I usually, you know, just take it around the neighborhood and all that kind of stuff, but I haven't been like out since I got the exhaust done. And that happened about a year ago. So we're about to go see what it do, man. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Go ahead, ride with me, and then go get some gas, and we'll see, you know, how the Impala performs. So anyways, man, before we jump into the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get notification every single time we drop another video. And yeah, let's get to it. That, you know what I mean? Let me go over here because this door is locked. Grab the fire extinguisher out this mug. Yep. So I usually would have two, I guess, one in the Elko, one in the Imp, but the other one that usually goes in both cars or whatever, one of them's in the house. So I try to keep a couple of these things on me, man, just in case, you know what I mean? You can never be too safe. But let me go ahead and throw this in. I gotta get the USB for my phone out of there, and then we'll go ahead and hit the road. All right, y'all, so good thing we didn't leave. The car ran out of gas. Maybe because it's how it's sitting on this incline, but the car did run out of gas again. So I'm gonna go ahead, hop in the truck, grab some gas, and then we'll still take it for a ride. And I might take it to the gas station just to kind of add a little bit more gas, but we'll see, man. The thing did die on me though, so I'm about to hop in the truck. Good thing it died right here and not out there somewhere, but yeah, taking risks, man, taking risks. All right, y'all, so got the gas. I'm about to go ahead and put it in and see what happens. All right, y'all, let's see if she starts or if we got another problem. I think it's just the gas though. There we go. So it sounds like it's gonna stay on. It was dying. So I'm gonna drive around the neighborhood for a little second just to. All right, y'all, so we out driving. I'm taking it easy because the steering wheel, the car needs an alignment, so that's why I'm trying to get the car to the gas station so I can make it to the alignment shop on Monday, because it's going to get alignment on Monday. I might have to put some more transmission fluid in here, just because there's a big puddle. There's a real big puddle in my garage, and I think it's due to the transmission fluid. So we're gonna have to investigate that, but for now I think I'm gonna just put some transmission fluid in there so that we can make it to where we need to make it to. Trying to get the car in alignment so that I could take it to this car show next weekend. But yeah, so anyways, man, it feels good to be in the Impala, man. I'm trying to sort things out. Like I said, I ain't been out the neighborhood since in over a year, and there's been a lot of changes done to the car since then. So I'm just feeling it out, man, seeing if anything breaks. Hopefully not. Hopefully we get on without a hitch, but if it does, man, I'll just get it towed. It is what it is. So anyways, I'm gonna keep driving. I'm gonna get to this gas station, put some more gas in here so I can make it to the alignment shop, and then also to this car show. But the car, you can tell, is pulling to, I think, the right a little bit. The number is off on the one of the wheels, so I definitely need to get an alignment. So, but hopefully everything is all solid today and the day that I need to take to the alignment shop. And if it is, then we won't have no issues. So, but like I said, I'm taking it easy because I don't want to mess nothing up. I kind of want to just listen to the car. So right now I got the radio off. I'm just trying to hear things, seeing if everything sound right, everything's good. But like I said, I just want to get some gas in here, and it looks like the gas gauge is still off because it's at a quarter tank, but I keep running out of gas. So the gas gauge definitely still is off, so I got to figure that out, calibrate that. But right now, man, I'm gonna just enjoy this moment, and like I said, take y'all along for the ride. We're about to pull up to the gas station and, you know, do what it do. Also, I forgot to mention, if any of my OG subscribers remember, you know, the days where we used to ride in the Impala and I used to chop it with y'all, man, drop down in the comments and let me know. Hold on, is that me? Hold on. Drop down in the comments and let me know, you know what I'm saying? Like, how long y'all been here? Because I used to ride around in the Impala, and I used to chop it with y'all, like I said, and it feels like the old days. So yeah, drop down in the comments and let me know. But anyways, I'm about to pull up to this gas station, like I said, listen to this car some more, and then see what happens. I feel like I heard a backfire, but I don't know. We about to see though. All right, we made it to the gas station. So I'm about to put probably about 15 bucks in here, 20 bucks. And cause I already put some in here already, but I'm about to put some more in here, and so that I can make it back out this way on Monday. And then after that, I guess we'll just ride around for a little bit. She seemed good, man. She seemed solid. I don't feel nothing wrong, don't hear nothing. So we're gonna keep driving, keep rocking, and we're gonna see what's good with it. I probably have to recalibrate the gas gauge because it looks like it's working, it just ain't working right. So, because no way a quarter of a tank should be empty, obviously, but we'll play with it, we'll mess with it. But right now, we got our gas and we're gonna keep it rolling. Probably gonna go up over here to this Walmart and grab some coffee, and then like I said, I'll probably go the long way home and we'll see what happens. Gotta love when you right in front. You know what I'm saying? I usually wouldn't leave my car like this, but I was in and out. You know what I'm saying? Gotta put this back up. Ah, shit. But yeah, man, let's get it. I'd say, aside from the steering wheel, like the steering being off, the car feels great, yo. It feels really, really good. So, like I said, I'm taking a long way home just to kind of get a little bit more feel out for the car. You know, just to run it through a little bit more paces, just to see if we find any more kinks or anything like that. But I would say this has been a successful drive. Like, the brakes are working phenomenally. This is probably the best brakes on this car that I've ever had on any car, even my Camaro. My Camaro's brakes weren't even this good. And those have Brembos on it. These are just stock with drill and slotted rotors and stuff. But anyways, man, like, I'm not smelling anything, I'm not hearing anything, so hopefully that trajectory continues. The cooling seems to be good. We about at, I would say right about 190, 200-ish maybe. So we good there. The gauge hasn't really moved too much. But yeah, like I said, man, we're just gonna keep on vetting the car out and, you know, seeing how good we can get it. And, you know, hopefully this can become the daily, like something I hop in and I just go, you know what I'm saying, without even thinking about it like I do my truck. So let me go ahead and spin to the crib, and then we'll chop it about the Impala and talk about my drive once I get there. Man, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, these QA1s are definitely love, yo, definitely love. This car feels so smooth. Before I put these QA1s on it, the front end used to bounce because I had them lowering springs on here. But, you know what I'm saying, this thing is handling all these bumps like a champ. I ain't heard not one bump, no scrape, nothing from the wheels or anything. So, we good, man. I'm gonna keep driving. I felt like I heard something for a second, but I don't think it was anything. I took it down a little bit of a rough road too, and we were doing real well. So, I think we might be okay, man. There's still some things that need to be taken care of, but I think we might be all right, man. All right, y'all. She made it back in one piece. Like I said, I didn't have no issues. I'll probably look up under there, make sure everything is good. I didn't hear anything sound crazy or nothing like that, man. For how low this car is, it's kind of crazy how much of a difference the QA1s are. Because I don't feel like it was it's been too different. Like the back is definitely different because the car used to really sag and really cut the back wheel off. But the front is not really too different from where the lowering springs were. But this doesn't allow the car to like bounce up and hit the fender and stuff. And obviously I've done stuff in there. I rode the fenders, did everything like I needed to do to like allow for clearance for the car to be able to sit this way. But when I put this trim on, I thought that the trim would be a problem because of how close it really is. But it hasn't proven to be a problem. I was hitting some pretty good bumps. I was hitting stuff that is not out of the ordinary for normal driving. Potholes, bumps, manhole covers and stuff like that. And I didn't hear no pinging, no popping, no rubbing, no scrubbing, no nothing, not smelling no burnt tire, not seeing no tire, you know what I'm saying? No like wear. Like you could see if this would have hit this, you can see it would be a little bit darker right here because it scrubs off, you know what I'm saying, the rubber or whatever. But I'm not seeing that, I don't think, anywhere. Let me see. Like I said, I haven't. Yeah, you can see, like, you know, it's still like chalky looking. You know what I'm saying? If I would have rubbed something, and it, more particularly, it would definitely rub on this side because this side is closer to the body. But, you know, I was kind of concerned about putting this trim back on, but it looks like we're good, man. Right? It's not too much different. I also put the tires, or one tire in here, so the car's sitting a little bit lower. Looks like we're good here, you know what I'm saying? There's plenty of clearance on this side though, so I'm not worried about that one. Yeah, man. I don't think there's any, you know, whatever. It still looks a little dirty, a little chalky. It looks a little darker right here, so I probably scraped up a little bit. Definitely when I went to the, pulled into the curb, I definitely heard it scrape a little bit, but it wasn't like crazy, like crunching and stuff. So yeah, man, I think we pretty much good with the imp. So I'm gonna, you know, continue to test and tune and, you know, make changes and stuff like that. But from now on, man, I just want to maintain, keep it on the road and, you know what I'm saying, enjoy driving my car, you know what I mean? She definitely still is a dog. She definitely is not something that I'm gonna get in and I'm gonna mash the gas and I'm gonna be going, you know what I'm saying, 100 miles an hour in 3 seconds or nothing like that. But, you know what I mean? At least I could cruise and enjoy, you know what I'm saying, the fruits of my labor, I guess you could say. So anyways, it's all good, man. All right, guys, schoolers, that's gonna do it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Car performed really, really well. Didn't have any issues with it. And yeah, I mean, I can't complain. Hopefully on Monday, when I get the alignment done, it fixes the steering and it kind of pulling to the right. I'm sure that will be fixed because I did the whole front center linkage and I tried to put it back to the best of my ability as far as going off of the other center linkage that came off of there. But, you know, it's still always out of whack and I'm sure the other one needed alignment too anyway. So we'll see what they say on Monday. And then after that, hopefully the car really feels good, and then we'll just continue to keep knocking out what we need to knock out to keep the car on the road, maintain it, make it, you know, do whatever it needs to do. Like I said, I want this to be my daily driver, even though it won't be my daily driver, you know what I mean? But kind of whenever I want to hop in my car and ride out and do whatever I want to do, I want this to be that for me, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I said, we're just gonna keep knocking things out on the car and then see what we got going down. So anyways, man, before we jump out the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get notifications every single time we drop another video. And let me know, y'all, if y'all like that kind of style, like the OG style, you know what I'm saying, driving in the car and stuff like that. I kind of want to get back to that, especially if I'm gonna be driving the Impala, you know, more often, I guess you could say. And like I said before, I want to kind of get to the point where I'm not working on the cars. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm still going to work on them. because we're still going to tear down the El Camino and whatever. We'll talk about that later, but I want to be enjoying them as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure you guys want to see these things out and about, roller shots, all that kind of stuff too. So anyways, always remember, work hard so you can live free.